Hello everyone, how are you doing? I think you guys doing fabulous and I'm doing alhamdulillah. So in this video, I'm gonna say one thing. It's really crucial. Everyone should know about it and everyone should have. So it's none other than family or relative or surrounding your friends or whatever. But I'm gonna say that everyone should have a person or someone who will love you, accept benefit, who will care you, and you can get support from the person. That type of person is really essential for us because we are used to do so many things in our life. Sometimes we do right thing, sometimes we make mistakes, sometimes we become frustrated, and sometimes we do so many things, rustic work or like good work. But it is the life, it's like a step of life. That's why everyone like facing these issues, even sometimes they become happy. So yeah, so why I'm saying that, it has a reason that while we are like frustrated or we're broken, or we never get back, like get someone who will support. So at the time we become so emotional, we broken and suffocated for something that is none other than love. If you have a friend, the friend is like really love you, or the friend is connected with your soul, then your friend will help you. On the other hand, if you have family, that this is the good bonding. It is like spiritual bonding, and you'll never get like this connection with anyone except family. Family is the place where you can get freedom, you can get many things, everything. It is like whole package: love, care, support, and everything, money, shelter. So everything you will be able to get from family. So if you haven't family, everyone have family, I know. But beside family, we have a lot of friend, a plenty of friend we have, and we used to interact with numerous people, like numerous friends, and we love to spending time with them. So if you have qualityful person, I mean qualityful friend, the friend is really love you, the friend like really wants to see your success and always support you. You need this kind of one or two or three. It depends on you how is your life and how is your friend circle. So okay, for everyone should have a person. The person will support you unconditionally, and even I mean that while you were suffocating for something, or you're facing trouble, or you are in difficult time, the personal supportive accept benefit. So this way we can identify, here is my friend, we are connected with soul. So you can see one thing, you can like notice from your life that whenever we are passing luxurious life, I mean we have lot of money, or we are happy, we are passing happy moment, at that time you will get numerous people. They are saying that I'm with you, and they are acting like that. They are your friend, but I can say they're not your actual friend. So you have to identify who is your actual friend. So everyone should identify, and everyone should have this kind of friend. So then your life will be joyful, and you will get happiness. So that's all for now. So why I'm saying that, it has reason that why it's maybe 5 years or 4 years back. At the time I have gotten something, it's like heart thing from someone. So at the time I didn't like expose myself or explain my inner feeling with anyone. I suffocated for a friend. So at the time I decided that I need to have one or some only one or two or three, it can be, but I need a pure friend, so that I can explain everything. I can get support. I can get like shelter, everything. So when you have the right person or good friend, the person will help you always. Okay, so that's why I'm saying, if you have this kind of friend, and or if you haven't, then you have to like seek a person who will support you, and then you will be happy, believe me. So by the way, if you are like, making friend is really tough, but before making friend you have to justify who is your real friend. I mean, who the person is right or wrong. So after that, make friend. Okay, so be conscious about it before making friends. So that's all for now, and see ya. Though I am talking randomly, guys, this is one kind of my habit, that I love to talk in front of camera randomly after a long time later. I'm before you because today I decided that I have to make video, because I'm become lazy day by day, and that is the link, you can say, that is the result, and as a result I am in front of camera. So that's all for now. Happy learning. See ya. Allah Hafiz. And you can see, this is the view behind me. It's really marvelous view, you can see, guys. Okay, Allah Hafiz.